Hi, welcome to Yoga Flow with Kim. I'm Kim, and today I'm going to guide you through a gardening tutorial. You're going to learn how to plant tomatoes with basil and marigold. Please subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, and we'll get started. So you may be wondering why I'm planting tomato with basil and marigolds. That's because these plants are companion plants, which means they go really well together. So the marigolds actually attract predators like wasps and ladybugs to eat pests like aphids. So the aphids won't attack our tomatoes. I'm also planting basil because the scent of the basil repels certain bugs and certain pests like June bugs. So that's why I'm planting all three of these together. So you're going to need, obviously, a place to plant your plants. You can use a ground if you have a gardening area, that's great. Today I'm using a lovely raised bed. It's 3 by 3 feet long. And you're gonna need 1 spade at least, gardening gloves, and access to water. These 3 transplants I started myself from the seeds, and now they're ready to go in the ground. Tomatoes need 18 inches to 3 feet to grow, depending on the variety, as well as a trellis or cage to encourage vertical growth. Plant tomatoes in a container or garden plot that receives at least 8 hours of sunlight per day, burying 2/3 of the stem to increase its ability to draw water from the soil. If you'd like to test the soil's pH before planting, 6.2 to 6.8 is ideal for growing tomatoes. And supplement the plot with a balanced organic fertilizer. To create a nutrient-dense soil, mix in several inches of compost. Tomatoes are the major dietary source of the antioxidant lycopene, which has been linked to many health benefits, including reduced risks of heart disease and cancer. They are also a great source of vitamin C, potassium, folate, and vitamin K. Basil needs to be planted 12 to 18 inches apart, depending on the variety. They need to be 18 inches away from the tomato plants to ensure ample sunlight and circulation. Basil is an excellent source of vitamin K, iron, vitamin A, and vitamin C. It's also a good source of calcium, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Basil isn't simply for internal use. When basil's oils are extracted to make an essential oil, it is used for treating cuts, wounds, and skin infections. Today I'm planting the marigolds 1.5 to 2 feet away from the tomato in a circle around the tomato to protect it from pests. The flavor and scent of the edible marigold leaves and flowers is floral, citrus, and spicy. Signet marigolds have long been used to add flavor and color to recipes. So I added a little compost, planted all the plants at the appropriate spacing, of course, did some watering, added a little bit of Miracle-Gro. These plants require 1 to 2 inches of water each week, so I'm going to water them every other day. And the tomatoes should start growing in about 50 to 80 days. These are beefsteak tomatoes. I'm really excited to make a recipe with the tomatoes and the basil. 3 awesome companion plants, tomatoes, basil, and marigolds. If you have any questions, please comment below and I'd be happy to answer any questions you have about gardening. Thank you so much for watching my gardening tutorial today. I hope this was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future gardening tutorials. And if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell. Happy gardening! Namaste!